Lotz. I am responsible for the Interap Academy. Today we will show you some recommendations in relation with air supply in pneumatic actuators. We have connected the air supply to the solenoid valve. Since we don't have connections to the electricity right now, we will use the manual override on the solenoid valve. The solenoid valve is used to operate the pneumatic actuator. Now I open the valve. And now I close. As you could hear, it is quite loud. Silencers are accessories that are used to reduce the noise. They are put in one port each of the solenoid valve. In addition to that, they as well prevent any particles to go inside the solenoid valve. Now I open the valve using silencers installed. As you could hear, it is really less loud than it was before. As you could notice, besides the noise, the valve was operating quite fast. This can be dangerous, causing water hammer in the piping system, and this could lead to damage of some equipment. Therefore, we recommend the use of the airflow regulator, limiting the operating time of the actuator. Inside the airflow regulator is a needle valve, adjusting the airflow inside the actuator by turning on this screw. The airflow regulators are now in almost fully open position. Now I am opening the valve. And I close. As you can notice, the operating time is already quite reduced. Now I am closing the airflow regulators to almost close position. Now I open the valve. And I close again. As you could see, the operating time is much slower. To achieve a more precise operating time, we can use this airflow regulator built in between the solenoid valve and the pneumatic actuator, combined with the silencers. When mounting the airflow regulator, it is important that the side with the O-rings is mounted on the actuator side. Now the airflow regulator is installed, as well as the silencers. This airflow control is using air needle valves as well, that can be adjusted by a screw on each side. The airflow regulator screws are now in the almost fully closed position. Now I open the valve. And now I close again. As you could see, the operating time was much slower and much preciser. Thank you for watching this Interap Academy video. I hope it was helpful.